So with the bread maker, we are going to do everything as normal, but even our birds are excited. Oh my goodness, they're excited. All right, so with this recipe, I'm changing it a little bit from a standard bread making recipe because this is unleavened bread. Okay, so instead of yeast, I'm going to substitute 4 eggs. And instead of regular milk, I am going to use buttermilk. And I'm also going to add 2/3 cup of sour cream to like soften the bread. So we're making like a regular loaf of bread, but unleavened. So this is the theory behind what we're doing. So let's bake some bread. All right, so first I am going to add the 2/3 cup of milk. We're going to use buttermilk. So this is 1/3. So we're just going to do 2 of these. Actually, let me shake up this buttermilk a little bit. Yeah, this is better. All right? Oh, yeah. All right. So this is 2/3 buttermilk. And then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of sugar. So this is a half of a tablespoon, so we're going to do 1. So that's 1 tablespoon. This is 2 tablespoons. And this is 3 tablespoons. Now I'm going to use a half of a stick of butter. Now I actually put in the melted 1 stick of butter instead of the half. So this is what we're going to do. All right, so when I put in the entire stick, this is a half of a cup, okay? So we're just going to do half of a cup, which is 1/4 of a cup, and that's how much we are going to put in here. All right, so this is 1/4 melted butter, 1/4 of a cup melted butter in here. And now I'm going to use 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So I have my flour over here. We have our cup over here. All right, so this is 1 cup. All right, so here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. And the last and final cup, this will be 4 cups of flour. Got it? All right. Got that? Next, we are going to, oh, I forgot the sour cream. So it is 2/3 sour cream. So there's 1. All right, so there's 1, and then I'll just finish this. Of sour cream. So it's 2/3 sour cream. right? And now we have the ½ teaspoon of salt. So here's our ½ of a teaspoon. Just gonna fill this up. It's a little bit much. Yeah, there we go. So ½ a teaspoon of salt. All right. All right, guys, so we have to put in the 4 eggs, which we're using to substitute for yeast. All right. All right, so we are going to select number 2, which is a large 1½ pound loaf of basic white bread. All right, then I'm going to press start, and here we go. So it's going to take 2 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm sorry, 2 hours. It's going to take 2 hours and 50 minutes for this large 1½ pound loaf of white bread. So we'll see how this turns out. All right, so here we go. So let's take this out. All right, so this is what it looks like. You take it out. And I'm also going to show you the inside, guys. All right, so I am going to use like a spatula. Let's see. I am going to use a spatula to kind of scoop this out. I'll get a plate or something. Take this plate. There we go. All right, so this is what it looks like. Look around. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, and so I'm just gonna like cut a slice. I'll put this here. All right. I will cut like a thin slice. Okay. Here we go. This is so good, guys. This is so good.